या बट अभी यूट्यूब वाला पार्ट हो गया, ये मैंने 1-2 दिन पहले भी शूट किया था एंड यू गाइस वर अ ग्रेट ऑडियंस, बट वहाँ पे डबल लोग थे तो ज़्यादा आवाज़ थी हंसी की, तो मैं वो यूज़ करूँगा. बट अभी मैं जोक्स बता रहा हूँ जनरली. ओके, बिकॉज आई हैव मोर टाइम. आर यू गाइस ओके विद दैट? तो अभी थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जाओ, प्रेशर में मत आना हंसने. नॉट लाइक यू वर इन द फर्स्ट 10 minutes, बट यू नो बिकॉज मैं बीच में गिल्ट करने लगेगा अंकल हंसना है नॉल, ऐसा अभी सीरियसली नहीं लेना. एक और शो है इसके बाद, टेंशन मत. You guys just think that comics just go on stage and shoot once and every show is like, अरे ये हर शो में इतना किल करता है. ऐसा नहीं होता, हम लोग 2-3 बार शूट करते हैं. So yeah, all your favorite comics have like shot 16 times, 14 times, and then they're like, oh 16th वाले में मजा आया. हमने ठीक है फिर यूज कर.
You wear the same clothes?
So on the same night I have 2 shows today. So today I'm wearing the same thing. But and for me, like I shot it a week ago and I wore the same thing. So the headache was, I'll tell you, it's like really weird. The headache was I made a huge mistake. You're supposed to wear a t-shirt when you shoot in the same clothes on different days because t-shirt में लफड़ा. अभी ये देख कैसा ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. तो मैं पुराना वीडियो जाके देखा कि स्लीव कभी गिरने लगी, कभी ऊपर थी. फिर मैं अभी मैंने बीच में एक जोक में जबरदस्ती नीचे किया स्लीव, तो देखा नहीं बिकॉज मैं जीनियस है ना, तो देखा नहीं. ये बात पे ताली बजा रहा है, ये नहीं कि जोक्स में मजा नहीं आया. ये बात पे इसको फनी लगी कि हाँ ये आदमी लॉजिस्टिक्स संभाल लेता है यार. ये कुछ भी बोल, इसमें हंसाया नहीं है पर प्लानिंग पूरी करके आया है. सो yeah, so you should not wear a shirt. So comics told me later, all the other comics who shoot, they like, dude तो शर्ट पहना तो यहाँ तक पहन और बटन पहन, नहीं तो ऊपर नीचे होता रहेगा तो तेरे को अक्ल नहीं है. बट अभी बहुत लेट हो गया. So okay, fair enough. Good. Thanks for asking me that question. You just added a minute to my video. I don't have a problem with that. There is one particular man called Kamal R. Khan. One particular man who is the most chutiotic character on the face of this planet today. Today I can vouch for that. I have not met everybody who exists in this world, but I can still tell you this guy. Hats off to him. Hats off to how idiotic this man is. I think the number of people who give a fuck about what he says is directly proportional to the number of people who watch Katrina Kaif for her acting skills. Zero. You know why? I'll give you a few examples of his tweets. Like what is this man's thought process? I don't understand. Like one tweet, for example, this was 2 days ago. He said, Hrithik Roshan is running out of money because his electricity bills are high. Because his father is also Roshan. His sister is also I responded to that. I said, why were you born? I did not say in a sarcastic way that I'm angry at you. It's an actual question. Like, how come your parents decided that one fateful night to conceive you? Like, how? What was the circumstances leading up to that situation? It was a serious question, which I did not get a response to because I didn't understand. And another tweet is, he tweeted, all the chutia staff are working for me. My staff is full of chutias. Arey, what the fuck do you do anyway? What does he do anyway? He doesn't have shit. Another frustrated train incident, I will tell you. I'm sure we know all those people who hang out of trains for no reason. मतलब बोरीवली में चढ़ा और चर्च गेट तक रहेगा नहीं उतरना है. And they're like damn smart. Like when they let you go, yeah, okay, I'm letting you go now because you are such a good human being. That, or I get down and then I get out. But from a moving train, I'm so cool, you know. And, so these people. So one of these guys once was a Nepalese man. So how in India we openly racist, we say हाँ छोटिया वाले नेपाली Chinese सब same ही होते हैं. वो छोटिया समझ लेने का वो कौन है. So there was this Nepalese guy hanging out of the train and there was this guy on the platform who couldn't get in. So he got damn angry at him and he's like, so how did he get angry at him? What did he tell him? Like, hakka noodle. hakka noodle हटना है तो public मारेंगे तेरे को. How can a person be food item? Fascinating. How can a person be hakka noodle? That stayed with me for a week. I tried to find someone who I could like, pav bhaji, nobody. I could not associate food items with people. You know, the wedding season is just coming to an end and I find very interesting. I love Indian weddings, especially because of the sweets. I love Indian sweets. That's the opportunity you have to do all that shit. And the best thing is gulab jamuns. They are the best. Because there is nothing wrong with it as it is. A gulab jamun is a thing of perfection.
is this soft, sugary, gooey ball of amazingness. It's amazing. There's nothing wrong with it. But there are people in the world who like to fuck up things. There are people. There was this one guy who said, "Teacher, इसमें इलायची डाल के देखते हैं." Once. Fucked up for everybody. So now when you eat a gulab jamun, it can either be the most amazing experience of your life or the greatest betrayal you ever faced. You can either put it in your mouth and go, like this orgasmic sound. Or you can be mother chode aadmi. And computer class was the most fun. That was my favorite class, because there was no studies there. I mean, it's the same knowledge every year. Ki this is an input device, this is an output device, this is a mouse. I know. So I used to just waste time. I used to show my friends how good I am at that game, Dave. Like, hey, Raju, J se jetpack hota hai, J se jetpack. All this shit. No studies. And I used to do well in the paper. And my mom used to think कि मेरा बेटा कंप्यूटर पे पैसा कमाएगा. This Indian mother's dream. She thought कि CD-ROM दबाएगा अंदर से 1000 के नोट निकलेंगे. I don't know what it is. So the paper used to have all these questions, just describe the procedure to shut down Windows 95 for 10 marks. What am I going to write in this? So I just kept adding points. Point to the start button. Point 1. Point 2. Click on the start button. Point 3. Do not click on restart. But like most of us here, I am a product of the Indian education system, and we all know our education system is by rote. कि पढ़ा और उल्टी कर दी. We know that. But sometimes questions बहुत ज़्यादा marks के लिए आते थे. You didn't know what to write. Like once in my science paper, they asked for 15 marks. How do amoeba reproduce? Now I did not know this. And you two totally unrelated things. Define amoeba and define reproduction. That nobody asked me. Okay, nobody. But I started. Amoeba means. Reproduction means. मैं साला भी 8 मार्क का और लिखना है, अभी क्या लिखे? So at this point you start making up stuff. So all bacteria are from Pakistan. So when the amoeba and abuba come together, it's nice to be here though. I went for a date recently, believe that. And halfway through this girl was like, "Hey, what's your height like?" I was like, "It's 5'4". She's like, "Isn't it like 5'3"? Aren't you like lying?" Like, that's the lie I would tell. Because I think that 1 inch is changing everything. Like at 5'3", you wouldn't come near me. But at 5'4", I'm a lightning deal on Amazon Prime. I'm just the guy you want. But I don't have much of a dating life though. I've been on Tinder 6 months and I've got 2 matches. That's it, okay? I said hi and they unmatched me. That is all that happened. Like, I do not like how he puts his alphabets in order. I cannot be with this guy. But so even if I do get lucky, if I go out on a date, I'm not good at them. Because I've mostly been fat in my life. I've lost 20 kilos like for the 3rd time. So I've mostly been rejected in the past. So if a girl is nice to me, I can't take it. Like if 5 minutes in, she's like, "Hey, you want to order something to eat or drink?" I can't take it. So I just yell out, "But I don't deserve you." I just yell that out. Then we go and look for the right guy for her together. That's how my dates are. It's very sad. Like, let's go to the bar. How's this guy? Achha, he has a mole on his face. He'll put something in your drink. I just make up my own stereotypes. I cock block all of them, okay? And the night ends with us drinking wine, discussing where all the good men have gone. It's very sad. I'm the kind of guy who girls are comfortable falling asleep around, but not with. Because they know I'll be there the next morning. Like, here's your coat, ma'am. Thank you for visiting Virgin Islands. Thank you so much. It's great. I was like, "Alexa, can you make Bhavish Elani viral on YouTube?" It's like, depression happens because of the following reasons. Satish, man, Satish. What's your name?
Bhavik.
I'm Bhavish.
Bhavik,
2 more alphabets and you would be viral instead of me. यही बात है. 2 alphabets से रह गया बस और कुछ नहीं. ठीक है ना. नाम की दूरी है पर दिल तो साथ. I think I'm going to fuck him tonight. I really think that is where this relationship has reached. Ma'am, I think you'll have to take an Uber. I'm sorry. I think we are going to Marriott. Is Marriott okay? Marriott में लोग जाते हैं एक्सेंट में बात करते हैं जबरदस्ती. यहाँ बाहर जाके बोलेगा भाई साहब एक पान देना. Marriott में तो like, can I have some पान मिठाई? तेरे बाप ने खाई कभी पान मिठाई?
सीधे से बात करना क्या है? I'll also tell you a secret before I go. I'll tell you a secret about all comics. Okay, we try to make all our jokes work. But any comic you'll see उनका एक दो joke नहीं चला, उनकी शक्ल थोड़ी छोटी हो रही है. You'll see little bit suicide in their eyes. Little bit. तभी हंस देने का. Because everything is not about you. I know you paid money, you want to judge a joke on its merit, but save a life, you know? Plant a tree. Like, क्या जाना?